when to take action and when not to take action when you're manifesting somebody into your life or manifesting your ex back. That's what we're going to talk about today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're going to talk about taking action, not just any action, intentional action. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed with the intention to help you create something wonderful. So let's talk about taking action. Now, I'm not talking about just taking any action. I'm talking about taking intentional action, okay? Because part of it is when we go to take action, we want to make sure that the intention that we're holding behind that action is what we really want to happen. So if we actually take action with the intention that somebody doesn't want to be with us, then our action is going to be coming from that space. Okay, and we're probably not going to get the result that we want. So let's say, for instance, I want to text my ex, okay, and I want to get him back. Now, if I'm holding the story that he doesn't want to be with me and I send him a message, then I'm going to get back he doesn't want to be with me. So whenever we take action, we want to take action from the right intention. What is the right intention? The intention that you want to hold is one that is like, okay, for instance, if we're using the example of getting our ex back, the intention I would suggest would be in your best interest to be holding is they want to be with me and they want to hear from me and they're going to text me back. And then I would send a text to my ex and take action to reach out and say hi with those intentions in mind. Because then with those intentions in mind, we're going to get the result back that we want. Now, if we go ahead and we have the thought that they rejected us and they don't want to be with us, and we send them a text, then that's what we're going to get back from them. So anytime that you go to take action, you want to make sure that you put intentions behind the action of what you want to show up. Okay, so if, for instance, you say, well, I intend for them to want to go out on Friday night, and you send that, text out, reaching out, saying hi, then they're going to want to go out with you and they're going to say, yeah, because you really do create with your intentions. And the last thing that we want is to be sending out and taking action with the intention that they don't want to be with us, because if we have the thought and the intention that they don't want to be with us, then we're probably either not going to get a text back, or it's not going to be a text that we like, because if we're holding the thought that Jerry doesn't want to be with us, then that's what he's going to reflect back to us, and we're probably not going to like the answer that we're getting. So when you're out there and you're interacting with your Jerry dolls and your puppets, and you say want to take action and reach out to that specific person or reach out to that ex, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're holding the intentions that you want at that time. So make sure the story is there's nothing wrong. They want to be with me. They want to hear from me, and take your action from that story rather than taking action from the story that they don't want to be with you. Okay. So yeah, that's how we do it. You know what? I set intentions with every email that I send. I make sure that I create an intention before I send it. I create every video with the intention that it's going to help you. So if you've been reaching out to somebody and you've been looking to get back in contact with them and you haven't been hearing back from them, then check your story. What thoughts are you holding about them? Are your intentions clear that they want to be with you? Are your thoughts clear that they are going to message you back? And that they're happy to hear from you and they want to hear from you? If they're not, then clear your story, get your intention set on they want to be with you, intend that they're going to text you back, and take action from that platform. That way that you don't feel like, you're taking action and failing. So yeah, that's my video for today. I hope that helps you, and I know that's going to help you. I intend for that to help you. And thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.